Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where the photo's live and signing into the correct Google account. Once signed in, open Photos. Google.com or the Google Photos app and verify backup and sync is on so originals are available. Next, decide whether you need images from your Google Photos library or images from Google Image Search, because the download steps differ. Now tap or click the first album or search term to surface images. Make sure you're using the account that actually contains the photos. You found images, now select Efficiently. Use date ranges, face groups, or album filters to narrow results, then Shift+click on desktop or long press on mobile to multi-select. Once selected, click the three-dot menu and pick Download to save originals, or choose Save to device on mobile for JPEG. If you need many folders or entire libraries, make a Google Takeout. Choose Google Photos, pick Albums, request ZIP or TGZ. Then wait for the archive link. This preserves full resolution and metadata. You finish by moving the downloaded files where you need them. Google Drive for sharing, an external SSD for local backups, or your preferred cloud. Once moved, organize with folders and consistent names so you can find images later. Use tags or albums to group similar photos. Make sure devices are synced if you expect changes to propagate. If something goes wrong, downloads stall or files are missing, check account permissions and storage. Clear app cache, try a different browser, or run Google Takeout as the reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.